a program to distribute students into classes or groups for capstone projects or activities. So how to work this program? This program worked with macro in VBA, Visual Basic Application, in Word to give it a Word file. So we will give a Word file with all the students in the school, including all names of the students. As example here, it's X number of students, which is in this example 150 names of students in this Word file, and distribute to Y classes, example 6 classes, each of n students, and n students here equals the total students in the school divided by the number of classes. Example here, we will, in this process, we will 150 over 6 give us 25 students in each class. You can use this students. The program will give you each class in a separate Word file. You can then decorate it and put the names in a table. Can do arrange it as you like. So how it's work? We will go to the document to open the file. Open here the file. So we have, this is the file including the program, the macro, and then we will press here. This is the students. We need to know how many students here. We can check here. We have here each student in a line. We have just 117 students. This may be the name of the students or the email. Okay, so we'll distribute this 117 to Y number of classes. Now, how to do this? We will open the macro. So we will press Alt F11, and here we have, this is the module where the program is found here. Okay, and then we will the classes here, the classes followed by the class index. So the first class, class 1, second class, class 2, third, and so on. So here we will take the total students per class. We will put here, instead of 25, we will put just 10. So here it's approximately about 11 classes, because all the students here 117. Okay, where we will put these classes? So because this bus is read only memory, so we will go to the here document, and we will select any file and press properties and take this. This is the properties for the this file. And copy this bus and put the bus here. Okay, and then close, and we will press Alt F8 and close this also, and click Alt F8 and then run this macro. When running this macro, it generates the classes, which we said that it will be about 11 classes. Now we go to check the classes which are created in my documents. So as I said, it's from class 1 till class 11 or 12. So to check this, we will open each class in a separate Word file, as we said. Each class in a separate Word file, as we said. So we will open these classes. This is the first Word file, which include about 10 students, and the second one we can open it also. We can open all classes. We will say that there are about 10 there are 10 students in each class, in each Word class. This Word class 2, 3, 4, 5. But the last one will contain only 7 students, lower class 12, because we have 117 students. You can use this code not only for separating students of the school in classes, but you can distribute the class students into groups, small groups, for 3 or 4 or 5, or for projects based learning like capstone projects. You can also use for distributing students in teams for activity learning or teamwork learning or cooperation learning at school. So this is very great code. You can use it in different ways. It's simple, it's very simple, it's very easy to use. You will just open insert here and insert module, and then copy this code and put it in this module, and click close, and then close the VBA platform or environment اللي هي Visual Basic Application, and then call the code using the macros. You can view here and then macros, and then select this code. If you have not found, you can use organizer, and from module 1 copy, and then close, and then reopen it again and view macros. You will find it, and then run, and will this code run according to the setting you are setted. So you have to set the number of students in every group or class, and you should have the all students in your one document file, which here we have the 117 students all in one file, and will support it and give it to the code in the macro, and the distribution will happen. Thanks for watching the video. If you need the code, I will put it in the GitHub link and give it to you. Thanks for watching.